all the art forms. And we light up lamp at the front of her, pay our respect to her, and then this tilak ceremony. Then we will start with the workshop. Traditional method with rice. We will show them how we make the paste with the rice and the traditional method for all of them. So they will use these as well for me. So I may make a mistake, and I'm also an artist, and that's why I worship all my gods with the help of apple.
I'm from Mexico.
You're from Mexico.
My name is Marcelo. I'm from Brazil.
Very nice.
My name is Vinod. I'm from India.
My name is Jessie. I'm from Arizona, US.
Arizona, US. Very nice.
My name is Marco, and I'm from California.
You are from California. Okay, very nice. Oh, nice. Italy. Nice. Name? Manu. It's an Indian name.
Yeah, it's an Indian name.
You're from Germany, the US. Very nice.
Show my story from Brazil.
You're from New Zealand. Virgin Islands. Scratch, it will go away. It will not hold the surface. We started mixing some glue with it, different kind of glues, and with rice flour. It will also, whenever there is a festival, we use apple, the feast ourselves to our God, all our love, all our it needs to be properly mixed. It's not consistent. You can see the lumps. Grow flower here, maybe some dots here, maybe some flower here. Great.
Yeah. It's a really nice way to do it. Kind of nicer than a brush.
Yes.
A cake.
Yeah, it's like making a cake. Only writing a name on the cake
Yeah.
or something. The universe, the sound, the fire, everything's great.
Yeah, I think there'll be a few more elements that come through. This will be fun.
Be aware. You thread that.
Yeah.
that way? Not don't. Just, yeah, that would be fine. So tell about it.
So in this one, I had the Om in the center, so I felt like it was like the universe vibrating out. So around it, I wanted to put water and fire, earth with leaves and air, and then I put some galaxies.
Okay, there's 4 of the galaxies.
Yeah,
Oh,
4
nice.
directions
Yes.
and space. And then these are like sound waves, and they're also kind of like eyes. And the stars being the light. The Navdanya seeds.
Oh, these are the Navdanya seeds.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then the little corns are like the food that nourishes us. And I think I might add a few circles that just represent it coming out and like our being.
It's great. It's
Yeah.
wonderful.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed it.
Welcome.
Playing with the design of all the different millet seeds, the rare millets. These are all the grains.
Okay, the dots are the
Lots of the grains, the
grains.
seeds.
Nice.
Yeah.
And the yellow ones are?
The yellow are the leaves.
Yellow are the leaves.
Yeah, the leaf of the millet tree.
Wow. And do these dot one represent something else?
Yeah, well, these are all the different grains of the millet, the millet seeds that
Great.
are growing here.
Nice. And the borders at the corners?
Just a nice sunshine,
Oh,
light corners. Give it a little bond it, keep it all together.
great, great. Wonderful.
All Good, I'll put it on the table.
Yes. So, Tone, please explain about your Appan work.
Well, I guess I just tried to do the seeds, the Navdanya.
Navdanya seeds.
Yes, and then the seedlings,
Oh,
and with the sun and the rain.
a sun. What for sun?
Well, there's the
the
sunflower,
dot.
but the
Oh.
dots are also the sunshine
Sunshine.
and the rain, and then the wheat for
Nice.
the Navdanya grains, and then I guess also just got the layers of the soil as well in there, and the different microbial.
Wonderful.
Everything's in the soil.
Swastika at the center for
Yes.
the symbol of goodness.
Yes,
Nice.
the
Wonderful.
center of everything. Yes.
How did you feel doing it?
It was fun. It was fun. I don't normally do a lot of art, so it was fun. Or any art, actually. So it was real fun. I enjoyed it, thank you. Yeah,
Thanks to you as well.
no worries.
Rose, please tell me about your Appan, what you drew.
So this was already sketched out for me, so I colored that in. And
Wonderful.
then the first thing that happened was my paint fell and landed here.
Uh-huh.
And so I made it into a flower.
Oh, wonderful.
And then it became symmetrical, so I did 3 more flowers.
Wonderful.
And then the corners and the borders.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Ivan, this is your Appan work. How did you feel about it?
It felt good, it felt peaceful to not have to think about what to do and then just copy in my very bad way the design already. Then
How long it took?
maybe an hour.
Oh, nice.
I don't know how long it took.
So 1 hour of meditation?
Yeah, it was good. It's really nice. Thank you.
Great, thank you. So Mazi, please tell us about your Appan work. Can we show it there this way? Yes.
Okay, so I did some dots, then I did more dots, and then I did the thing.
Any explanation? You thought something about it or just to beautify it?
but
It's also a purpose of art to provide beauty to the viewer. Wonderful work. At the center, we have footprints of goddess. So it looks wonderful. You have a right taste of art.
thank you.
It's your second Appen work today.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from the US, Cambridge, Massachusetts.
Oh, great. Please tell me about your Appen work.
Yes, so I was given a pair of feet to start with, and I made some mistakes going through the process, but sort of took them in stride, if you will. And I sort of thought of the painting as a journey of sorts that the feet would take you on. So I sort of followed a trail almost in a circular motion around until I had a complete, maybe too much dots if you ask me, but I just kept putting them on and finally arrived.
Great. You're talking about some Australian art forms.
Yeah, so I would say I was partially inspired, especially on the outer edges, by the Australian Aboriginal artworks that incorporate this sort of pointillist style, lots of small dots that collectively come together to form a block of color or texture in an image.
So it's a global artwork.
I guess,
Appen mixed with the Australian art.
Crossing some cultures over,
Great.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Sir, please.
माय नेम इज शोमो सेन
Yes.
मैं कलकत्ता का हूँ इसलिए मछली आया था मेरे मन
Oh,
में
nice.
सो मैं सोचा था कि एयर वाटर और लैंड सॉइल तीनों का रिप्रेजेंटेशन होना चाहिए
Wonderful.
तो फिश इज फॉर वाटर बटरफ्लाईज आर फॉर द एयर
Here.
एंड लैंड के लिए ये थोड़ा थोड़ा ग्रेन्स जो निकल रहा है सीड से
बहुत.
येलो सनलाइट का रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं
Yes.
तो सब में थोड़ा थोड़ा सनलाइट है क्योंकि शुरुआत होता है फ्रॉम फोटोसिंथेसिस ये जो
Yes.
ग्रेन्स होता है स्पाइरल है सिंबल लाइफ का
Wonderful.
तो सर्कल तो है लेकिन स्पाइरल का फॉर्म है और ये फूल भी है जो फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए है एंड बटरफ्लाईज आर द कनेक्टर्स द पॉलिनेटर्स तो इस हिसाब से एक यूनिवर्सल सिंबलिज्म क्या है
बहुत ही अच्छा बनाया आपने.
Yes, sure. My name is Manu, and I'm from Germany. And when I started drawing, I observed trees in the winter in Germany without the leaves. And so, as I got into drawing, I tried to create my own spin around recreating that. So when I got this one without anything on it, I then kicked back in and just drew this one and went with the patterns that your style of painting brought up and just brought those two things together.
Great. And these are the leaves.
You can make them as such. It was just something that your nice assistant brought in. Nice little touch to it. No, I made the dots, which is like I would, at first wasn't anything specific. You can call it like a
Feet of Lakshmi, the goddess of real wealth, good wealth.
Yes.
Not greed, good wealth.
Yeah. Once a morning.
You did that? Music, like, also you give. Yeah, and then we wrap up this lovely session. आप सबको बहुत धन्यवाद.
सविता मैम भी आज जुड़ना चाहती थी हमसे. उनको बहुत ज्यादा बुखार हो गया.
And interacting with them.
Your remarks matters a lot for us.
और ये लोग एक दिन कहते हैं हमें म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट लेने हैं. अब मैं चलती हूँ. क्या have a seat क्या?
Yeah.